automatic construction vehicle washers removes dirt and mud in just 2 minutes. At any construction site, large or small, there is the familiar sight. Dump trucks, lorries, and concrete mixers constantly coming and going, carrying thick layers of mud clinging to the wheels and undercarriage. Every time it's rained, the construction site entrance becomes muddy, with murky water overflowing onto the road. And within hours, the entire surrounding residential area is affected. Meanwhile, the construction crew has to take turns using hoods to wash, but the job is never truly clean, resulting in daily fatigue, wasted water, electricity, and manpower. But now, everything has changed thanks to the Go&Go automatic construction vehicle washers, a solution that completely cleans your vehicle in 2 minutes without manpower, without waiting, and especially answering the strictest environmental hygiene requirement. With a fully automated system, as soon as a vehicle enters, the machine automatically sprays and washes the entire vehicle from wheels, undercarriage, sides. And just in 2 minutes, the vehicle is clean as new, ready to leave construction site. The entire process is automated, requiring no operator, no labor, and no worry about water splashing everywhere. And here are the biggest benefits that's making more and more construction site owners choose to invest. First, saving on labor costs. Previously, a construction site had to hire 3 to 5 people to wash cars continuously, costing several hundred dollars a day and still not thoroughly clean. Now, only one person is needed to supervise. The system does everything automatically. You can save hundreds of dollars in labor costs per year. Second, saving time and increasing operational productivity. Cars only take 2 to 3 minutes to wash, reducing waiting time by up to 80%, allowing for faster vehicle entries and exits, and more frequent turnaround time. Construction sites are not held up at the gate. Progress is ensured, and transportation efficiency increases significantly. Third, it ensures environmental hygiene and avoid bad light. Environmental regulations are becoming increasingly strict. If vehicles carry mud and dirt onto the road, business may be fined, warned, or even have their operation temporarily suspended. Using the Go&Go automatic construction wash machine, all dirty water is collected in a slow separation system, keeping the construction site clean and meeting hygiene standards. For a one-time investment, long-term benefits, the machine is designed with an industrial steel frame, operates stably, has a long lifespan, and can operate continuously at high frequency. This is an investment that brings sustainable benefits, not only in terms of cost, but also in terms of image and reputation. Fifth, it enhances the image of the business and the construction projects. A clean construction site, professional vehicle access, and a tidy gate. These are not just small details, but a hallmark of an organized and responsible work unit, especially when partners, investors, or regulator agencies come to expect. They will immediately see the difference in your operations. A professional image always filters and creates greater opportunities for collaboration. Therefore, it is not surprising that numerous concrete business plants, waste treatment plants, industrial parks, and large infrastructure projects are switching to Go&Go automatic construction vehicle washing system. They are not only save cars, also work more efficiently, neatly, and professionally. In fact, many units after replacing manual washings with automatic system have since cars, reducing up to 60% vehicle turnaround time double, and construction sites remain clean and orderly at all times. And thus is the benefit of a smart automation solution, a worldwide investment that delivers financial return, increased productivity, and enhanced brand image. Go&Go, a pioneering brand in the field of automatic construction site wash in Vietnam, not only provides machines, but also offers a comprehensive solution from surveying, designing, and installing to on-site technology transfer. If you are an investor, contractor, concrete plant manager, or construction site operator, consider this is not an expense, but a stylish investment to elevate your business. Save on operating costs and stay ahead of the curve. Contact our hotline now to receive detailed advice from Go&Go technical team. Our on-site service and assistance in choosing the most suitable solution for your specific project. Go&Go not only provide equipment, but also accompany you throughout the installation, operation, and optimization process to achieve maximum efficiency, cost saving, and time efficiency.